Writing our own CSS from scratch is very time consuming, especially if you have a deadline to submit the project. So here, CSS frameworks came into the picture. They help us to write the CSS very easily in less time. Hey there tech buddies, welcome back to IMS Coding. So in today's video, we are going to explore one of the most popular CSS framework called Bootstrap. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's see why use a CSS framework. Here are a few reasons. Speed. CSS frameworks can save a lot of time. Second point is consistency. They help maintain a consistent look across your web pages. Third point is responsiveness. Most frameworks are designed to be responsive, which means your site will look good on all screen sizes. The last point is cross-browser compatibility. They help ensure your site works well in different web browsers. Now, let's move to Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a very popular CSS framework which is developed by Twitter for developers and designers to build responsive websites easily and quickly. So let's see it practically in Visual Studio Code. So here in Visual Studio Code, let's start by creating a new file named bootstrap.html. I'm closing other files. Now let's get a basic HTML syntax by typing a dog keyword. Now let's go to the official website of Bootstrap. So here I'm searching for Bootstrap and then click on the first result. Now let's go to docs and you can see here in quick start section. So you will find this HTML, copy this second HTML, go back to our HTML page and paste it here. So now in our HTML page, we have successfully integrated Bootstrap. You can see here is the CSS and JS. So let's view this page. Right click here and click on show preview. So in the right side, you can see the live preview of this page. Now, go back to the website and in the components section, you will find lots of components. For example, let's go to alerts. So here, you will find lots of alerts and we can use these components in our HTML page. Just need to copy the code and then paste it in our HTML page. So here I am replacing the h1 tag with this alert component. So in our page, you can see the alert. So here in this website, you will find lots of components. Let's see buttons. So here you can see these are the buttons. So let's copy the primary button and I am pasting it after the alert. So in our HTML page, you can see the button here. And if we want to add some margin and padding, then in the class, I can write m-4. So here, m stands for margin and then I want the margin of 4. If you want to see the actual CSS of this M4, then you can see it here. So search margin and here you will find the actual CSS of margin and padding. Now let's get a navbar. So here is the navbar. I am copying this code and then pasting it at the top of our body. So we have successfully integrated a navbar in our HTML page. So this navbar is fully responsive and let's change the name to IMS Coding. And we can also write custom CSS using Bootstrap. So this is just an introductory video. I hope you found this video helpful, and in future we will create a full course about Bootstrap. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginner's Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.